Perched at the southwestern tip of the African continent, where dramatic mountain peaks plunge directly into two colliding oceans, lies one of the most visually spectacular cities on Earth. This is Cape Town. Known affectionately as the Mother City, it is the oldest urban center in South Africa. From above, the geography is humbling. A sprawling modern metropolis entirely dominated by the towering, flat-top fortress of Table Mountain. But Cape Town is far more than a geographic marvel. It is a complex, beautiful canvas of history, resilience, and survival. Standing like a sentinel alongside Table Mountain is Lion's Head, a dramatic, conical peak that commands the city's skyline. From the air, you can see the spiral trails worn into the rock by generations of hikers making their way to the summit. It acts as the ultimate vantage point, offering a panoramic view that bridges the urban density of the city center with the infinite expanse of the open sea. To understand Cape Town, you have to look closely at its foundations. In the heart of the city bowl rests the Castle of Good Hope, a 17th century star fortress built by the Dutch East India Company, standing as the oldest colonial building in South Africa. Just a short flight away is City Hall, where Nelson Mandela stood on the balcony in 1990 to deliver his first historic address to a newly freed nation. But clinging to the lower slopes of Signal Hill is perhaps the city's most vibrant cultural heartbeat, the Bo-Kaap. Originally established as a township for enslaved artisans brought from Malaysia, Indonesia, and parts of Africa, its famously bright, candied-colored houses serve as an expression of freedom, identity, and the deep, enduring roots of the Cape Malay community. Nestled right in the middle of this urban sprawl is the company's garden, a lush green sanctuary that dates back to the 1650s. Originally planted by early settlers to grow fresh vegetables for passing spice route ships, it has evolved into a peaceful public park lined with century-old trees, botanical wonders, and historic museums. From above, this park looks like a vibrant green lung, offering a quiet, shaded retreat from the concrete rush of the surrounding financial district. Leaving the city bowl behind, the drone traces the edge of the working harbor to reveal the Victoria and Alfred waterfront. What was once a gritty industrial dock has transformed into Africa's most visited tourist destination, a bustling hub of local music, world-class dining, and active maritime trade. Adjacent to the waterfront lies the trendy enclave of Greenpoint, a neighborhood that perfectly blends sports, nature, and modern lifestyle. The area is dominated by the colossal, bowl-shaped structure of Cape Town Stadium, a legacy of the 2010 FIFA World Cup that now hosts global events. Surrounding it is a sprawling urban park, a brilliant piece of green engineering where wetlands and lawns sit alongside the bustling residential avenues. Moving past the historic red and white stripes of Greenpoint Lighthouse, the city stretches out along the Atlantic Seaboard. Here, the concrete promenade serves as the city's communal spine, where locals run, walk, and watch the cold Atlantic surf roll in against the backdrop of modern coastal architecture. As the road winds further south beneath the shadow of Lion's Head, the water transitions into a brilliant, crystal-clear turquoise. This is Clifton. Divided by massive granite boulders into 4 secluded coves, Clifton is home to some of the most exclusive and expensive real estate on the African continent. Right next door is Camps Bay, the ultimate playground of the Mother City. Framed by a spectacular white sand beach and a lively palm-lined promenade, the true majesty here lies looking inland. Towering directly over the beach is the wall of stone known as the 12 Apostles, a rugged mountain spine that guards the peninsula and catches the raw afternoon winds. The architectural ingenuity along this stretch of coast is just as striking as the natural scenery. Millions of years of geological patience created these granite slopes, and today, ultra-modern luxury villas are anchored directly into the rock face. These gravity-defying homes offer completely unobstructed views of the Atlantic horizon, showcasing a lifestyle completely attuned to the changing tides and the shifting coastal winds below. There is a reason travelers from all over the globe are drawn to this edge of the world. As the sun dips below the Atlantic horizon, it bathes the mountains in gold and ignites the sky in brilliant hues of orange and violet. Cape Town is a city defined by its contrasts, where the ancient rhythm of the mountains meets the constant pulse of a global city, and where a complex past has given way to a vibrant, diverse future. As darkness finally claims the peninsula, the true scale of the Mother City reveals itself. The glowing streetlights stretch from the mountain valleys all the way down to the shoreline, tracing the unique geography that has shaped this corner of the world for centuries. It is a view that lingers in the memory long after the camera stops rolling. Thanks for watching this aerial journey over the Mother City. If you want to explore more of Africa and the world from above, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Until the next flight,